Hello everybody, welcome back to a new week. I am Daedran with E Prime. The music industry is on high after dancehall artist Agent Sasco was awarded the Order of Distinction National Award last evening for his outstanding contribution to music, philanthropy and the positive pro-social messages to the youths. Sasco's music career spans 3 studio albums and an extensive catalog of more than 350 tracks. Agent Sasco, formerly Assassin, has worked with some of the biggest artists in the world, including Kanye West, Buju Banton, Kendrick Lamar, and Beres Hammond. Born Jeffrey Campbell, Sasco will now join a distinguished list of artists and musicians who have received the same award over the years. These include Prince Busta, Ken Booth, Gregory Isaacs, and Shaggy. The Order of Distinction is awarded to Jamaican citizens who render outstanding and important services to the country. Now, still on the awards, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport Olivia Grange, Miss Babsy, was the recipient of the Order of Jamaica for sterling contribution to the cultural development and political administration in Jamaica. Also, Emmy Award-winning actress Shirley Ralph was officially conferred with the Order of Jamaica OJ, a title which now gives her the right to be referred to as Honorable. Ralph was awarded the OJ for sterling contribution as an actress, cultural ambassador for Jamaica, and for her contribution to the international film industry. Another awardee was Monty Alexander, who was conferred Order of Jamaica from the entertainment industry for sterling contribution to the promotion of Jamaican music and the jazz genre interpretation globally. However, he was absent from last evening's ceremony. Congrats to everybody. Now, Shaggy was certified gold once again in the UK. Shaggy's Greatest Hits compilation released in 2008. The Bombastic collection was certified gold in the United Kingdom on Friday. Shaggy's album was issued the Brit Certified Gold Award after selling over 100,000 units, according to the British Phonographic Industry BPI. The Bombastic collection features 19 songs from 8 of Shaggy's previous studio albums, including Bombastic, In the Summertime with Rayvon, Angel, It Wasn't Me, Hey Sexy Lady, and Strength of a Woman, plus Oh Carolina. Shaggy's other UK certified albums are Hot Shot, which is 3 times platinum for sales exceeding 900,000 units. Bombastic and the compilation Mr. Lover Lover Best Of Part 1, which are both certified silver for exceeding sales of 60,000 units. Now, on the international scene, members of BTS are to join the military. The K-pop supergroup are planning to undertake military service. The band's record label confirmed Monday, with Jane, the oldest member, aiming to start the process at the end of the month. Military service is mandatory in South Korea, where almost all able-bodied men are required to serve in the army for 18 months by the time they're 28 years old. South Korea's parliament passed a bill in 2020, allowing pop stars, namely those who excel in popular culture and art, to defer their service until the age of 30. BTS is expected to reconvene as a group around 2025. I know the army is sad. Well, that's it for E Prom this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.